We have the new Q3 Milwaukee M12 promotion. This has been online since yesterday. We got the hacksaw kit, the hammer drill impact driver kit, both fuel, and the installation driver kit. Get a free tool. In store, your choices are the 3/8 ratchet, the right angle drill driver, the 6 amp hour battery, and the old brush oscillating tool. Online, you have one more option, which is the 1000 lumen floodlight. Now, if you want to hack this, these are going to be probably the best prices you will see ever, in my opinion. I just bought, well, let me start off with the other kits. If you buy the hammer drill impact driver kit or the installation driver kit and you want to hack it, pick the ratchet. It'll bring both of those kits down to $138. The ratchet will be $91. The next clip you'll see, I just bought the fuel hacksaw kit and I picked the ratchet. It brought that fuel hacksaw kit down to $97 and the ratchet was only $81. So if you're looking for just the ratchet, you can get it for $81 if you pick the hacksaw kit and return the hacksaw kit. They'll give you $97. It came to over $100 with taxes. So the ratchet was like $85. Now, you might as well keep both of them because this is an amazing deal. $97, basically $100 for the fuel hacksaw kit with a 4 amp hour battery charger and a bag. Yeah, check it out yourself. I'll leave a link in the description and you can pick what you want.